Hey guys, so let's talk about another app that will make you guys some money called Dropship Spy. So how do you get this app? I always go here on Google, Dropship Spy. I would look it up here, and here it is, Dropship Spy. First one that pops up. So yeah, you would go here, just view their price plans. It's really not expensive at all. I mean, $10 weekly, 20 monthly, or 200 yearly. I'm doing the $20 monthly one. So you just go ahead, you click register, and you get into the app. And let me go ahead and show you inside my account. Let me log into it. Perfect. So here it is. So we're here in the members area. They always give you a free product, by the way, which you guys can test, but everyone tests this product because everyone sees it. So these, let's see here, members area. So they have a Facebook audience builder, which I honestly do not use. They have a reviews downloader, which I do not use either, and your account and the new product. So this is basically what I use. This is the most powerful feature that this website has. And what they're doing is they're basically uploading two products per day, which they think do well. Well, except here, they only uploaded one on January. But usually, if you see two on the 27th, two on the 26th, two on the 25th, two on the 24th. So usually, I don't know why they only uploaded maybe here on the 28th. Maybe on Sundays they only upload one. Not sure. So anyways, they upload these products that are hot products, okay? And guys, I can guarantee you that these are hot products because I've sold some of these and I've made a lot of money with some of these. For example, this hot dog bed I sold and I made money. The clever cutter I sold and I made money. I've seen people selling this now and they're currently making money with this item. What else here? This item sold and people made a whole mess of money. This one, there was someone that I knew that was selling 3,000 of these rugs daily, and this item as well. And yeah, guys, I mean, you guys get the point. These are good items. These two are good items. So usually they are posting up really good items. So let's go ahead and go into one of these items and see exactly what information they give you. So I haven't clicked on this one yet. So we're actually doing this now for the first time. So here they'll tell you a suggested sales price. They'll tell you at what you're going to be buying it from and your profit. Again, well, not again, but you don't have to follow this suggested sales price. For example, on this product, I would probably price it at 19.99 to make a little bit of more money. But this is just a suggestion that they give you. So what else do they give you? They give you the full description. So you guys can literally go on Oberlo, find this product, upload it to your store, and just copy and paste this description. Okay, they give you the AliExpress suppliers of where to get it from. So here, let's see which one's the cheapest one. 341, 490. Okay, so I would click here. These people, their feedback score is good, the product rating is good, and they are the cheapest one. So I would go ahead and click here. And here it is, guys. Here's a product, same exact product. Looks like they have two variants. I don't know. This is two and this is one. I don't know what the difference is, but they have two variants. So as Laz taught you guys already, all you would have to do to import this is click here or just import it into your Oberlo. And then for the description, you guys would just copy this. And guys, they're giving you all of this for just $20. Okay, so I think this is actually a really good deal. So you would go ahead, copy that. They give you the ad text example, so you don't even have to write your ad for Facebook. Okay, all you have to do is go ahead and copy this and put it into your ad. They give you AliExpress reviews, which you can download, Amazon reviews, and they even give you a free video. Okay, so you guys can just click here. This is a video here. Okay. So yeah, they usually do like the little slideshow videos, which they're not the best videos, but they're not bad to start with. Okay, they give you the targeting and niche selection. So you can click here, beauty. They give you all of this. So this is what you guys would target if you were doing Facebook advertising. And then they also give you another one here, women's fashion. These are all interests that you can target on Facebook that they give you. So guys, all the guesswork is out of the way. You don't have to guess what to target. You don't have to guess what to get and put into your Facebook ad. And they even give you the suppliers, okay? They give you Amazon suppliers, they give you eBay top sellers, they even give you an ad on Facebook. So let's go here on, we can go on the product website. See, it shows a website that's selling the product, Iconic London. Let's go back here. Let's go on the Facebook advertisement. This is a video that they're using. And I can't pause this for some reason. Okay, got pause. This page is lagging a lot though. Let's go ahead and close that. Okay, guys, so they give you the advertisement. You can go onto the Facebook page, onto the product website. So these people are basically giving you all the tools necessary to test on Facebook. Again, if you're advertising on Google, none of this matters, but this can be a really good product to just go ahead and throw on your Google shopping feed, and it might do well. And if it does well on your Google shopping feed, then we teach you guys how to get all that information and put it onto your Facebook to sell it profitably on Facebook. Oops, page isn't responsive. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click wait. Yeah, nothing's happening here. I don't know what happened when I opened that page. Nothing's responding. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I wish I could have shown you guys another product, but this is acting really weird now, and I have to see what's wrong with my computer. So anyways, I mean, it's basically the same thing for all the products. They give Dropship Spy gives you a lot of good products to test on both Facebook and Google. So go ahead and get this app, use it for your product research. I think it would definitely be worth the money that you spend on it. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Bye.